Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Notepad++ is updated, because newer versions expose richer themes and fixes. Once done, back up your preferences so you can revert quickly if something breaks. Open Plugins Admin now and update theme-related plugins. This prevents conflicts later. Then launch Notepad++ and go directly into Settings. You will change both the UI theme and the editor style. Do these first, so the detailed color edits you make next will apply cleanly and persist. Next, you apply a dark theme and then refine it so code remains readable. Open Settings, then Style Configurator, and select a dark preset such as Obsidian or Deep Black. This flips editor colors immediately. After that, use Global Override to set background, caret, selection, and default font colors so everything contrasts well. If certain languages look off, adjust Lexer-specific foreground and background colors for keywords, strings, and comments. Make incremental changes and preview them, because finish by saving your custom theme and exporting a copy of config. XML so you can reuse settings on another machine. Then restart Notepad++ to force UI and plugin elements to fully adopt the new colors. If you still see light areas, make sure plugins are compatible, update Notepad++, or switch themes and reapply your tweaks. As a troubleshooting tip, delete or rename config. XML to reset settings. This forces a clean start if the UI is inconsistent or corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.